Our next speaker for tonight is Ishika Gupta, who will be hosting a talk show called Kadak Chai. She's a really talented speaker.
So let's see what she's prepared for us.
Thank you, Sumer, for such wonderful words. So, ladies and gentlemen, just tighten your seatbelts as we are going to start with the Gurukul Drona, a best talk show with the best host of the evening. So, my name is Ishika Gupta, and I want to host a talk show called Kadak Chai with Gurukul Drona. So, firstly, let's cheer up. Raise your toast with the mic up. And now we're gonna welcome our best guest. This guest is a legend. He is a man and a role model for many. He is an army officer, civilian army. So his journey was so amazing. We're gonna share some views and some points with all of us. We all will be blessed with his presence. He is a man with a genius journey. He is an IPS officer, a major general. And his column is also featured in Himachal Dastak. He wrote 4 books of best author and many more. So let's welcome and put our hands together for Major General A.K. Shohri, Amil Kumar Shohri.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ishita. Hopefully
evening,
my
sir.
audio is clear, please. My audio is clear?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Okay. So how do we start?
With a cup. Come on. Let's raise a cup. Kadak Chai with Gurukul Drona, the best steamy sizzling tea with your host Ishika Gupta. So, I'm gonna ask some questions and you have to answer. Right? Now let's begin. First of all, I just wanna ask you, what inspired you to take this line? What inspired you to pick up this passion? How was your journey?
Okay. I did my graduation from R.K. Arya College from Nawashahar Doaba, which is a small town. Nowadays a district, but those days it was a very, very small town. And I did my post-graduation MA in political science from Doaba College, Jalandhar in 1975. And of course, I did my LLB from Punjab University, Chandigarh in 1980. You see that the 75, 77, if you remember that the 1975, the emergency was imposed in India by then Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Those were the days of Jayaprakash Narayan. Those were the days when the students will sit together in the canteen and will talk about revolution. They will talk about changing the society. And since I was a student of political science, thanks to my teachers, especially in Doaba College, they used to teach us about the political thought, right from Plato to Aristotle to Marxism to communism. And we used to argue and say that if a day comes when we have got the power, we are the authority, if we are in the administration, we will do this thing, and we will bring all type of improvements. So that I just want to say that my school initially, later on my college environment, and the support of the teachers and the guidance of my teachers, it generated some sort of feeling amongst us. Why I'm saying us? Not only me, there were so many of my friends also who were thinking that we should enter the IS services, be part and parcel of the government, and must do something constructive for this country. That was the motivation while studying in the college. And I just want to share that I am from 82 batch. So in Punjab University, when I was doing LLB, I was staying in the hostel. When we landed at Mussoorie, Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie for the training, you can imagine that we totaled 23. We were 23 people from Punjab University. There were about more than 12 from the same hostel, and we 3 were the roommates. So you can imagine the dedication, the commitment, and the motivation of the friends, of the teachers, and all the people in around that we ultimately were selected. That was the motivation. And the top of that, the most I should say that the person who motivated me till the end was my father. I had done post-graduation. I was doing law, and every Sunday he will come to my hostel and just sit for about half an hour and catch the bus and will go back to Nawa Shahar Doaba, just saying that, do you require anything? Okay, keep this 500 rupees, 300 rupees, whatever the money is said, but just you should be focused. You should be focused. And he used to write me long letters for about 1 to 2 pages. Even today, I have got the pages. Actually, there was another webinar which I was attending today. I thought that I will show his letters, but I could not. If any later on opportunity comes, I will show the letters. I still have those letters. So his letters have been the source of inspiration before entering the service, in my 33 years of service, and after retirement also.
Very well said, sir. Very well. Even I can also connect with you because I'm also staying in Delhi, away from my family, and even I can feel that vibe. Very well. You are actually an inspiration to all the kids present here because you are a chairman of GGSDG College, an author, director, and all role model for these kids. My next question to you is, how could you inspire these parents so that they could even pursue their kids' passion in their life?
Before I come to this inspiration thing to the parents, I just want to share 1 or 2 more things also. While studying in Doaba College, Jalandhar, I used to play badminton. And in those days, that the badminton team of Doaba College was the topmost team. There were 2 players who were the Punjab champion, and one of them was playing for India also. And after 1 year, I managed to be in that team by my sheer hard work. Okay. And when I came to Chandigarh from hostel number 5, which is in sector Punjab University, to sector 7, there is this stadium is there. I used to go jogging from sector 14 to sector 7 in the evening. We'll do 5 rounds of the ground. We'll do 500 times skipping. Then I play 3 to 5 games, come back around 10 o'clock in the night. And the next day morning onwards, I will start preparing for the IAS examination. And I'll tell you, once I got the opportunity to play against Prakash Padukone, he was 7 times national champion and he became all India champion also. Twice my name came in the sports page of Times of India because I won almost 50 odd tournaments in and around Punjab. Okay. I'm coming to the inspiration because here also the parents should get the inspiration that they should not stop the children not to play. They should encourage them to play also, because once we play, we develop the feeling of competitiveness, sportsmanship. And I used to give a statement while I was in the service that only a good sportsman can be a good administrator, because he has to take a decision in split second which shot he should play. And if his shot is wrong, then he might be out. There might be goal against him, but from that, he should learn that where he played the bad shot or the wrong shot and should come back again. So for the parents and for the students, I just want to tell them that they should continue their passion also. Even today, I play golf. I have won about 7 tournaments of golf also. And what happened that, I hope I am not taking too much of time.
No, sir. No, sir. You're brilliant.
Okay. Because I feel excited when I talk to the younger generation. And when I joined the service, then people say, "Ke chalo bhai, tumne jitna khelna tha khel liya university mein, college mein, aur ab bas karo." So when I landed at Mussoorie, I just won singles, doubles, mixed doubles, because the level of the officers is not much. Then I started playing squash there. Okay. And when I landed, started my career, there used to be Northern Western Postal and Telegraph combined circle. It's called circle. I won the circle championship. I went to play in the All India PNT and was selected in the team. And my boss said, "Yaar, ye kya kar rahe ho? Tum khelne aaye ho ke yahan par ye sara kaam kaun karega?" Anyhow, then I went and joined Army. Army, I started playing squash. Squash, I played at the inter command level. Went for the services trial. Then I switched over to golf. Even today, thrice a week in the morning, I go to play golf. Tomorrow, 6:30, I will be at Chandi Mandir golf course. Come back around 9:30 and 10 o'clock, have my breakfast, and till lunch, me and my laptop, my books. So, what I want to share with parents and students is, खेलने के समय खेलो, पढ़ने के समय पढ़ो, और पार्टी के टाइम पार्टी करो. हर चीज का अपना एक समय है. And who has taught me this thing? Army has taught me. Army has taught me that discipline, discipline, discipline. Discipline in your personal life also, in your professional life also. Again, very, very small example. You see that in army, what happens that except for the army headquarters, in the field areas, the working hours are normally from 8 o'clock in the morning till 1:30 or 2 o'clock. So when I was posted, my first posting was at Kalimpong. Kalimpong is a small place from near towards from Siliguri when we go towards Gangtok en route. So 6 to 6:30 is the morning PT time. It means you will have to get up at 5:15. You have to freshen up, shave करना है. 5:55 पर PT के लिए जाना है. 6:30 तक PT खत्म करके you have to come back. From 8 o'clock to 1:30 or 2 o'clock you are in the office. Then 3:30 we are supposed to be in the ground. So after lunch you take a rest, go to the ground, play, and while coming back again have a checker of the office whether everything is all right or not. So this discipline in my personal and the professional life continues even today, and I never allow others to control my time. I manage my time as per my requirement.
This is amazing, sir, and that's why we say military वाले कुछ अलग होते हैं, कुछ हटके होते हैं, and you proved it right, sir. Over to you, Ishika.
Very well said, sir. You are actually a man who could define that hard work is the key to success. Your kind words made the audience inspiring, and we actually are overwhelmed with your journey. Your career speaks, and your hard work is just brilliant. Now, I just want to ask you, you obviously have heard about the national education policy made by Narendra Modi. What are your views on that?
Sorry, Ishika, not much idea, because tomorrow there is a very big seminar which I'm attending, in which that the personalities who have drafted the policies, they will be coming and addressing. There will be so many ifs and buts and the questions in our mind. I have yet to gear up myself for the new education policy. I won't be in a position to contribute much today, but I want to take this opportunity to tell something else which should be more interesting for the children and the parents. Should I or should I not?
Yes, sure, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. I don't know how many parents are there. Hopefully, good number of parents are also there in this session. If parents are not there, even children, they are also nowadays are very bright and intelligent enough. In my 33 years of service, I worked where in 33 years? I have just jotted down sequence-wise. Sequence-wise, I worked at Ambala, at Kalimpong, Delhi, Mysore, Shimla, Dehradun, Nagpur, Chandimandir, Udhampur, Calcutta, Shillong, and finally Delhi. So how many? I think 11 or 12 stations in 33 years, which means that after every one and a half year, I was transferred. Okay. Two things only for the children and the parents. And not only I believe it, I took it from my parents, took it from my father, and I share it with my children also. ईमानदारी और डेडिकेशन एंड सिंसियरिटी, इसका जवाब, इसका मुकाबला कुछ नहीं कर सकता. नो मनी कैन मैच इट. I was transferred twice by the Minister of Communications because I did not agree to do what he was asking me to do. And when I explained to my bosses in the ministry, they said, you are absolutely right, but you know these political people, they are after what thing? They are after money only. So I said, okay, sir, what I should do? He said that you be on leave, and he is also being shunted out from this ministry, and later on you come back to whatever the place is there. So I took a stand, refused to obey the orders of minister in black and white, quoting that, sir, your orders are violating of this rule and regulation, because I knew that later on nobody will come to my rescue. Everybody will say that you should have followed this rule and regulation. So maximum what he can do, he can transfer me. He said, भाई शौरी साहब, बात तो आपकी ठीक है, पर हमें इन कामों के लिए अपना बंदा चाहिए. मैंने कहा ठीक है सर, तो हम आपको ट्रांसफर कर दे. मैंने कहा कर दीजिए. अब बात तो आपकी ठीक है, तो हम अभी आपको कहां ट्रांसफर करें? मैंने कहा सर जहां आपका दिल करता है. नहीं, आप ऐसा कीजिए, आप किसी भी जगह का नाम लीजिए, हम आपको वहां ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. सो एट दैट टाइम आई वाज पोस्टेड इन शिमला. आई सेड कि ठीक है सर, शिमला नहीं तो मुझे देहरादून पोस्ट कर दीजिए. ही सेड के ओके यू आर पोस्टेड टू देहरादून. मेरा क्या गया, मैं एक टूरिस्ट स्पॉट को छोड़कर दूसरे टूरिस्ट स्पॉट पर आ गया. So what I am trying to say to the parents and the teachers, there will be temptation, there will be so many provocations, लेकिन ईमानदारी और डेडिकेशन और सिंसेरिटी यही है जो इंसान को अल्टीमेटली पे करते हैं. इसी की वजह से इज्जत मिलती है. किसके पास पैसा नहीं है? मेजर जनरल हूं भाई, मैं कोई गरीब आदमी थोड़ी हूं. मेरे पास भी पैसा है, हो सकता है करोड़ों में ना हो, लेकिन इतना है कि मैं अपनी लाइफ अपने हिसाब से शान से बिता सकूं. इसलिए फाइनली टू द पेरेंट्स एंड द टीचर्स कि आप इस चीज को मानिए. प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब को देखिए जिन्होंने कहा था ना मैं खाऊंगा ना खाने दूंगा, और आज हमारा देश किस तरह से धीरे 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 कहां जा रहा है.
It is so inspiring, Amil sir, to listen to you and to your thought processes, and how simple life can be if we have these fundamentals of our life sorted out, these base pillars sorted out. Life is so simple and we get answers from these base pillars. Sir, it was a real treat to listen to you. Amazing session and very powered up session. And I'm sure that tomorrow morning I'm going to start with my jogging and my sports ASAP.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ishika. Ishika, you were brilliant on this. Very quickly, if we can, sir, we can spend 1 minute on any of the audience can ask one question. We can just have time space for one question. Very quickly, if anybody wants to ask a question, please go ahead. I believe that everyone is so overwhelmed with your inspirational speech that they are all spellbound. Is that so?
Okay, thank you.
Sir, your brilliant words made our day very, very special. It was wonderful talking to you. It was an amazing session. Thank you for your presence. So, this is from my side. A gift hamper given to you for your brilliant answers and for your response, which made our day special and enlightening. The parents and making our day so wonderful. I extend a high gratitude to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now I request all the parents to put a round of applause for Amil Kumar Shori. Thank you, sir. Now I am signing off, leaving off to Mehta.
Your talk show, what can I say? It was better than any professional talk show. We noticed something.